With all due respect to Parth Goyal, we will look at his 7 mistakes in biotechnology. Mistake number 4 is the most important, and there is a surprise at the end, so you can go there directly.
रिसेक्शन साइड इन MRR दो होते हैं, PUV1 और PST1.
PVU1 and PST1.
Resection side in ROPs, that is PUV2.
PVU2.
Dash in animal have the ability to transfer normal cell to cancerous cell. किसके पास होती है? रेट्रोवायरस के पास.
Other than retrovirus, from this chapter, Escherichia coli can also cause cancer. Moreover, smoking, radiation, chemicals, etc., a lot of things. So you have to observe and mark all of the above if a question like this comes. Not only retrovirus.
DNA move toward the positive electrode, cathode. कैसा होता है क्या? नहीं, एनोड की तरफ जाता है DNA, ध्यान रखना.
This question is written wrong. DNA is negatively charged itself, so it will go towards positive. That is all you have to remember. Now to understand in detail, we have to go to chemistry. In electrolytic cell, anode is positive, and in galvanic voltaic cell, anode is negative. Because in agarose gel electrophoresis, we use electrolytic cell, so in it, negative electrode is cathode and positive electrode is anode, meaning DNA will go towards positive electrode, that is anode. So if in the question anode is written, then it is true. If positive electrode is written, then it is true. And in this question, anode should have been written instead of cathode, otherwise the conversation will go to voltaic galvanic cell, which is not at all used in electrophoresis.
First restricted endonuclease was कौन था? HIND2.
First type 2 restriction enzyme was HIND2. Let's look at NCERT. Year 1963, 2 enzymes isolated. The other cut DNA called restriction endonuclease. This was type 1. First restriction endonuclease HIND2, whose functioning depended on a specific DNA nucleotide sequence. This is talking about type 2. Isolated and characterized 5 years later, year 1968.
ROP मतलब replication of plasmid gene.
ROP means repressor of primer. In NCERT, only its function is given, replication of plasmid.
Today we have more than dash number of restriction enzymes that are isolated from dash number of bacteria. 900.
Yes, 900 is given in NCERT, but more than 3,500 restrictases have been isolated. Teachers should not ask this question as its quantity keeps on increasing. The good thing about his video is that he taught focusing on questions. This leads to good learning. But if you want to learn even better, then watch this movie. In it, Diana is DNA, Logan is ligase enzyme, and Batman's bad technology is biotechnology. Just like you easily memorize any novel or story, you will be able to perfectly memorize this chapter after watching this movie. Okay, nobody should take out anything negative from this video. We respect Dr. Parth Goyal and all doctors. You should also respect him as your teacher and all teachers. And please do not type anything disrespectful below.